Morning dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. Students, in the previous lecture, I gave you all some basic information about drawing, like who created drawing, when was the drawing invented. So students, after the information, we had learned a topic, potato print painting. So students, today also we are going to learn the same topic, in which I am going to teach you all flower, how you all can make a butterfly out of a potato and a sun. Students, in the last lecture, I had taught you all how we can make a flower out of a potato. The same way we are going to do. But in the last lecture, the stem and the leaf were made out of sketch pen. But in this lecture, we will also make the stem and the leaf out of the potato. Okay, so now I will tell you all what materials you will need for today's lecture. For this, you will need a pad, a drawing paper or a drawing book, colors, color dish, brushes, pencil, scale, sketch pen, a knife, bowls for your water and potatoes. Okay students, these are the materials which you will need for today's session, and also you will need a cloth. Students, for the sun we have to make a circle, and for that I am going to use a top lid of any bottle. You all can take any bottle lid from which you all can make out a circle in the potato. Okay students, let's start with today's session. Before starting with any topic, I told you before also, you have to draw margin from all the four sides. Now we will start drawing the margin. As I told you all, from 0 to 1 you will start marking the margin. From all the four sides you are going to take the same centimeter. Students, done with your margin from all the four sides. Now we will write a topic name, and today our topic is potato print painting of a flower. Okay, done with this much. Now it's time for potatoes. Okay, students, if you all don't know how to cut a potato, please take help of your parents. Tell them to cut, and then you all can start giving it color. Okay, if you all know, then only you all cut. Otherwise, take help of your parents. See students, I have cut my potato into equal parts. Now it's time for, we will give it the shape of a flower. Okay, for that we will need a pencil and your potato. Okay. Students, make sure that you are removing all the moistures from the potato. Then only start drawing the butterfly, the flower on the potato. Okay. So from here we will start drawing a flower shape, just like this. First draw the margin, then only start cutting the potato. You all can see, students, I have drawn a margin. Yes or no? See, students, the same way you have to do the margin, and with the help of the knife you will start cutting the outer part of the margin. Students, again I am telling, if you all don't know to cut, please take help of your parents. With the help of the knife, slowly start cutting the potato outer part. If you will do the margin, you can cut the potato properly in the flower shape, just like this. See, students, I have cut my potato in the flower shape. Okay, after cutting also, make sure you will remove all the moisture, because if you will not remove the moisture and you will apply directly color, the color may get spread. So remove all the moisture properly from the potato. Now it's time for colors. Students, if you all want, you all can remove your color in the dish, or directly you all can use from the color box also. But make sure that you are not using much water to mix the color, because we will need a thick color so we can apply it on a potato. So students, these are the 4 colors which I am going to use. Sorry, these are the 5 colors which I am going to use. If you all want, you all can use the same color, or else you all can use some different colors. So students, take out this much thing. You will need 2 bowls. Both the bowls are having water in that. Your 5 colors, brush, and your potato, which is having a flower design. Okay. Now you all see me how I am doing. Before applying color, make sure there is no moisture on your potato. With the help of the red color, start applying the color on your potato. Here I have not used the water. If you all want, you all can use. Otherwise, apply direct color on your potato, just like this. Done with this much. Now you take your potato and give its print on your paper, like this. And with your hand, press it little bit so the color may get on the paper. See students, like this. And if the color is not coming in between, with the help of the brush we will give its color. See student, our one flower is done. Now it's time for our second flower. Students, before applying other color, make sure that you will wet your cloth, and with the help of the wet cloth, wipe the color. Done. Now take some other color. Students, if your colors are dry, then take only little water on your brush and again start applying the color. The same way we are going to do. After applying the potato on your paper, make sure you will press it with your hand so the color will come properly. See students, our second flower is also done. After done, make sure you remove the color from the potato because we are using the same potato for the other flowers also. So clean your potato properly so the color must not stay. Just like this. Okay. Now we will use some other color. The same process we are going to continue. The same way we are going to give its print. And slowly remove your potato. See? We are going to do one more flower with the help of the blue color. With your hand press it properly so the color may out properly. See students, we got our 4 flowers with the help of the potato. Now it's time to give it stem and its leaf. Okay? Students, for the stem I am going to take the same potato which we have cut from the before potato for our flower. From that on I am going to take it for the stem. Okay? And for stem we are going to use brown color. Same way we are going to do with the help of the brush. We are going to apply color on the top of the potato. Just like this. And slowly you are going to apply that potato on your flower and slowly press it down. See students, our stem is also ready. Like that only we have to do it for all the rest 3 of the flowers. See, if needed, apply more color on the potato slice. See students, like this only for rest of the other flower, means the remaining one flower. See students, with the help of the potato slice only, we had done the stems. Now it's time for the leaf, and for leaf we are going to use green color. Students, for the leaf also, I am going to take the slice which came out of the potato when we were cutting the flower. See, for that only I am going to apply green color. And slowly give it print on the stem. See, like this, and slowly take out. See students, like that only from the other side. The same way we are going to do to the rest of the 3 flowers. See students, with the help of the one potato slice, we have done a flower, a stem and a leaf. Now it's time for a butterfly. Students, for the butterfly, we are going to make the use of same potato only. We are going to cut it on the side of the butterfly. Side of the potato. Just like this. Okay? Got it students? Now apply any color which you all want on the slice of the potato. Done. Now take your paper and apply the slice how I am applying. See students, how I have kept the potato, the same way you will keep and you will press it. See students, one side is came, now it's time for other wing. Apply color properly. Now students, you will take your potato like this and this side should go on this side like this and you will give it print just like this and press it with your hand. See students, we got different side. This will be the wings of the butterfly. And with the help of the brush, we will show its head. Okay? Students, I have mixed little bit yellow color and red color. So I can get a different shade. And with the help of the brush, we will do a circle like this. Then we will show the body of the butterfly. Done with the butterfly also. Now it's time to show a sun. And for that, before also I told you, you all can take a lead of any of the color or your water bottle. We are going to use the same potato which we had used for flower. Take any lead and with the help of the lead, press it in the between or in the side and you will get a perfect circle out of a potato. Okay? See students, I got a perfect circle out of the potato. Now again we will apply color. Before applying color, make sure you will remove all the moisture. Properly clean the moisture and then only you will start applying color on the potato. Students, for the drawing I have only used one potato and the one potato which I have used, I have taken only one side. So make sure that you will also take it from the one side. Don't waste the whole potato. And now with the help of the brush, start applying color on the circle part. Just like this. See students, I got a perfect circle. This will be a sun. Okay students, and this whole painting we have done with the help of the potato, and we had only used one potato, that also the half a side. We didn't waste the full potato. If you all want students, with the help of the brush you all can show its rays, otherwise it's okay if you will stop till the circle. See students, our today drawing is completed and we did this full drawing with the help of the potato, the flower, the stem, the leaf, the butterfly and also the sun. After done with your drawing, make sure that you will wash your brush, and if you are using your dish, you should also clean your dish properly. Okay students. Now students, for your homework, you will do some other design, means you will do some other flower design on the potato and you will send me. And students, when you will cut the potato, please take help of your parents. And before cutting, first you will do with the help of the pencil, you will make the design and then only you will start cutting it. If you all don't know to cut, take help of your parents. And make sure before applying color, you will remove all the moisture from the potato. And make less and less use of the water and make more use of color that you can apply on your potato. And students, when you will send me your homework, you will write your full name, your standard, your division and your roll number on it. Okay students? And students, make sure that you will take only one sided part of the potato. You will not waste the potato, and from that only one slice you will make the whole design which you all want. But you will make some other design of a flower only and you will send me. Okay students, thank you.